Hello guys, in this video I'll tell you about Mr. Sneeze, and he sneezed everywhere, and he lived in Coldland, and this story is about how he got his home, a hot home with some sun, and Mr. Sneeze had a red nose. Everybody had red noses, and Mr. Sneeze didn't like that what he sneezed and had the red nose. So he wanted to go in a hotter place, and when he got on the very long distance, he got in a hotter place where he didn't sneeze, and he met a magician, and they got to the Coldland, and the magician said magic words, and the clouds got off the sun, and the sun shined very good, and Mr. Sneeze lived happily ever after. So bye guys, see you next time.